The Supreme Court has issued an emergency order keeping COVID-era restrictions on immigration in place on the southern border until the justices can hear arguments from both sides. Skylar Henry has the details from Washington, D.C.
The Supreme Court has told the Biden administration it can't end Title 42, the Trump-era policy limiting entry into the U.S. because of the pandemic. The order, handed down by Chief Justice John Roberts, mandates the Biden administration continue to enforce Title 42 for now. The court will hear arguments on the case in February and then make a decision later in 2023. More than a dozen Republican governors had sued the Biden administration to keep the order in place. The administration admitted in a court filing that it expected to see a big increase in migration if Title 42 was lifted, potentially even doubling the number of migrants already crossing the border. El Paso has extended an emergency declaration as it struggles to accommodate the growing migrant population arriving daily.
There are babies, there are little kids here, there are all kinds of people here.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott has responded by busing migrants out of Texas, including the latest destination. A bus dropped off migrants outside Vice President Kamala Harris's Washington residence in sub-freezing temperatures on Christmas Eve. The White House called it a cruel, dangerous, and shameful stunt. The governor's office responded saying the White House is full of a bunch of hypocrites. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Washington.
Again, Title 42 will remain in place until the Supreme Court issues a ruling on the full case that will likely be sometime next summer.